In this video, you'll learn how to prepare liquid medication using a syringe and how to administer it. There are two types of devices that are used to measure liquid medications: a syringe and a dropper. Both of these items are used to measure liquid medication. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use a syringe. Do not use any other items to prepare the liquid medications. Only use the syringe that was provided with the medication or by your care team. Before getting started, review the medication order. It is important to follow the instructions on the medication label or the dose that your nurse and/or physician provided. Always follow the instructions of your care team. If you are uncertain about the correct dose, do not hesitate to contact the team. Now that you know the correct dosage, let's get started. Identify the desired measurement on the syringe. This is the amount of medication that you will be administering. If you want to mark the correct measurement with a pen, make sure to mark next to the measurement line, not over it. When using a syringe, it is important to make sure that you measure the dose from the widest portion of the plunger. Do not measure to the narrow tip of the plunger. Review the medication. Ensure you have the correct medication bottle. If the medication needs to be shaken prior to administration, do so now. If the bottle has a stopper, stand the bottle upright and put the tip of the syringe in the bottle stopper. Then turn the bottle and syringe upside down, holding the inserted syringe tightly inside the bottle stopper. Hold the syringe and bottle at eye level. Pull the stopper back and pull more medication than needed. Then slowly push the plunger up to get rid of any air bubbles. Push the plunger up to the correct syringe measurement. Recheck to make sure the dose is drawn up to the correct line on the syringe. If it is correct, turn the medication bottle upright carefully along with the syringe. Carefully remove the syringe and place the cap back on the medication. If it is below the line, reinsert the syringe into the bottle and follow the previous steps to draw up additional medication. If there is more medication than needed, reinsert the syringe into the bottle, turn the bottle upside down, and push the plunger to remove the extra medication. If the bottle does not have a stopper, pour a small amount of the medication into a medication cup. Insert the tip of the syringe into the liquid medication in the cup. Slowly pull back the plunger and fill the syringe slightly more than the dose. Remove the syringe from the medication cup. Turn the syringe tip upwards and slowly push the plunger to get rid of any air bubbles. Push the plunger up to the correct dose. If you have too many air bubbles, lightly tap or flick the syringe barrel with your finger. Slowly push the plunger to the correct dose. Recheck the syringe at eye level to make sure the dose is correct. If the dose is below the line, reinsert the syringe into the medication cup and draw up additional medication and follow the steps just reviewed. If there is more medication than needed, slowly push the plunger to the correct dose. There are several different ways to administer liquid medication. If the patient is able to swallow safely, the medication can be given directly from the syringe or mixed into a small amount of juice or favorite drink. If the patient is unable to swallow, the tip of the syringe can be placed between the gum and cheek or under the tongue. If you still have questions about how to draw up and administer liquid medication using a syringe after viewing this video, please contact Hospice of the Piedmont for more information.